The VEMDIA 12V Lithium Iron Phosphate Battery delivers steady power with a built-in management system that guards against overcharging, deep discharge, overheating, and short circuits. Its compact Group 31 footprint and very light weight make it far easier to lift into tight battery compartments than a comparable lead-acid unit. Thanks to its long cycle life, measured in many thousands of deep discharges, it is well suited for people who use their recreational vehicles, boats, or off-grid systems frequently. The battery accepts charge from dedicated lithium chargers, solar controllers, or a vehicle alternator, so it integrates smoothly into new or upgraded power systems. Users can wire multiple units in series or in parallel to build higher voltage banks or larger capacity packs for demanding trolling motors and home backup storage. With a wide operating temperature range and no need for watering or corrosion maintenance, it offers a clean, low-hassle alternative to traditional lead-acid batteries for long-term use.